Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mix It Up. First, download and install the application from its official website. Next, launch Mix It Up and follow the initial setup wizard to link your streaming platform, like Twitch or YouTube, and your bot account. This crucial step ensures the bot can interact with your chat and stream effectively. Once connected, you're ready to explore its extensive features. Mix It Up allows you to create custom chat commands, which are essential for engaging your audience. You can set up simple text responses or more complex actions. Additionally, establish a channel currency system where viewers earn points for watching, which they can then spend on various rewards. Explore the overlay editor to design dynamic visual elements that react to stream events. Take your stream to the next level by setting up automated events and timers. These can trigger commands, overlays, or sounds at specific intervals, or in response to stream activities like new followers. Mix It Up also integrates with many third-party services, expanding its capabilities significantly. For advanced users, the C# scripting feature offers unparalleled customization to create truly unique bot functions. To ensure a smooth experience, always back up your Mix It Up settings regularly. This protects your custom commands and configurations. If you encounter any issues, the official documentation and community forums are excellent resources for troubleshooting. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, as well as other helpful deals. Keep experimenting to discover new ways to engage your community.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.